Good morning everyone. This is the reluctant chef, Sue Moulton, and I am coming to you live because I need some more coffee. It is National Conference 2020, and of course we are not in Chicago, so we are all wearing our little banners and our cute little t-shirts, and we are doing National Conference in our living room in a comfy chair where you don't have to wait for bathrooms and you can have as much coffee and as much snacks as you want. Now, it is not nearly as much fun as going to Chicago and seeing all my friends live and hanging out with my team, but we're going to make the best of it, right? So I need more coffee. So I got the water going because we do French press in this household, or we do the cold brew Pampered Chef pitcher. So we're going to take our coffee, we're just going to stick it on our Deluxe Cooking Blender, and we are going to grind it up because we need more coffee. So, cooking blender. Soups, stews, chilies, grind coffee, grind Parmesan cheese, grind almonds into almond flours, make your own alternative milks, make your own sauces. My favorite part, which I probably use it the most for, is I make homemade peanut butter probably every 10 days, and I make homemade jellies and jams because there's a patent pending on this, that it will come up to temperature up to 212 degrees. It's not like the regular blenders that just use friction in order to cook. It actually has a heating element in here. Plus, if you're anything like George Jetson, if you're old like me, you know who George Jetson is, it has self-cleaning mode. So you put some water, a couple drops of soap in there, and it'll clean itself. So it's really great. There's custom modes that you can set for, or you can just push the button in once to determine how, 1, 2, or 3 on a custom grind so that you can watch and see how fine you want your coffee ground. So I'd love to know, what are you doing this rainy day? In New Hampshire, we've got rain. Finally, we've needed the rain. But I'd love to see what you guys are doing this weekend. Got any plans? Make sure you share. Bye.